Yeah, hello guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jeromekeys Music. So today we are going to learn this Makossa breakdown, lead and bassline breakdown, okay? So that's what we are going to learn today. So we are going to learn it on this song. Let's go, let me show you, then I'll do the breakdown of the song, okay? So this song goes like this. Let me tell you, I'm playing on F sharp, and the key I'm on is also F sharp. Okay, but I'll call out the note of what I'm playing so that you can be able to apply it to your own key if you are not playing on F sharp. So this kind God, another one, oh, the 1, 4, 5, 4. You understand? So that's what I'm playing, okay? So 1, 4, 5, 4, 1. You get? So that is Do, Fa, Sol, Fa, Do. You get? So that's what you need to know first. So I'll start with the lead line. So if you can start with something like this, like something like the beat is going like this. So what am I doing here? Mi so do so fa la do fa fa. Let me take it gradually so that you can understand. Mi so do so fa la do la re so ti so fa la do la fa. You get? So you go mi so do so fa la do la re so ti. You understand? So that is just how it goes. So after you do something like that, so we have to go to something like your re, okay? So instead of playing Do Fa now on your bass, you go to your re. We are coming to that, okay? So now, instead of you playing your Fa here like this, what you do? So you go to your Fa, La, Re, Fa. You understand? So if you play something like this now. So do mi do so mi do ta fa. So do mi do so. You see? So do mi do so mi do ta mi fa. Fa la re fa. Re do la re so ti re so. I don't know, this one might be difficult for some people, but you just have to be pausing the video, you will get it, okay? So do mi do so mi do sa. So do mi do so mi do sa, mi fa la re fa, re do la, so ti re so, re ti so, mi fa la re fa, re do so la so. Mi so do ti la so mi fa la. You get? So let's do it from the simple part first, okay? So what am I doing here? Do so so, do so so, la fa so, ti so so, ti so. This so now you're just tapping it, okay? So it's just as if it's silent, okay? Do so so, la fa so, ti so so, la fa. Get? So now you go. So do so, la fa re, ti so so, la fa re, la fa so, so do so, la fa so. You can do la fa so, la fa re, ti so so, la fa so do so. You get? Now you can now do something like this also. Right, so where you are doing? So you can go do so. You can play do so or do so la so. You guys? Do so. Re la. Or re la so. You can do anyone. Anyone you tap inside these two will still go. You understand? Then I end it with fa mi re do. Understand? If you want me to do more tutorial on this lead and bassline on Makossa, you drop your comment on the comment section, okay? God bless you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also share. See you on my next video. God bless you.